Hi, my name is Pete and welcome to another tutorial for Divi engine. This is on Divi machine and it's a tutorial series that we're going through on how to use Divi machine, and we're actually building a car listing website while we're doing it. So up until now we've built a, so if I go to the home page, we built a search form. Click on the search form. I've just searched for everything. It brings up the cars. Here you can filter it. You can order by, you can then go through to the categories. So if I click on saloon, it'll go through and show me all the saloon cars. But this is the default category page, which in actual fact isn't very, it doesn't look very good. So how do we make it the same as, the way it looks on this one? Well, the way you do that is go to the theme builder, add a new template, and in here we want to go to all car category pages. This is the one we want. Create template. What I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to copy this template, paste it in there. I'm just going to edit it though, and I want to remove. I don't need this because I only have one category, so I'm just going to remove. I only have one level of categories. If you have child categories, you can add it in there. I'm just going to remove it. Okay, so here we go. If I click on SUV, it should put up the SUVs. Yeah, so here we go. Here's the process. So we start on the home page. Even if I had to just search BMW, for example, it should just show me the BMWs. However, I can, at this point, also say, I can go even further, but anyway, let's go through to the saloons, and I want to go to the saloon cars, and there's all the saloon cars. Or let's say I'm on the home page and I just go, okay, I want to search for all the cars. I want to have, I don't know, convertibles. And then once I'm on the convertibles, I can, well, that's just filtering, but I can also go through to the SUV page. And because I have this filter on the left, which is the same, I can also, at that point, let's say I'm looking for a convertible on the SUV category page, I can also look for convertible, which is quite nice. You don't have to leave this page and go through it to the next page. So that's what's really powerful about these Ajax filters. Okay, so now if we let me find a car that I actually like. This one's quite nice. It's Audi A5. So if I'm on the Audi A5 page, this is what we've done so far. If you've been on the tutorial series, I started to talk about the advanced custom field item, and this is, just a temporary page that I just created. So in the next video, I'm going to be talking about actually creating the single pages. So that's it for now, and we'll see you soon.